the drainage of India. Now from the word drainage, you can very well understand that it talks about the river systems of India. So drainage talks about the river systems of India, all the rivers which are coming under India. Here there are few terms we need to know about, and they are the drainage basin. What is a drainage basin? An area drained by a single river system is known as drainage basin. There is another term, that is perennial river. What is perennial river? Perennial rivers are those which are coming from the Himalayan mountains, because it will consist of the water will be there throughout the year. So these are perennial rivers. When we are talking about drainage of India, this is of two types. The first one is the Himalayan river, and the other one is the peninsular river. The Himalayan rivers are mainly of three rivers: River Indus, River Ganga, and River Brahmaputra. These three rivers are perennial in nature because all the rivers are coming from Himalayan mountains. The sources are there and they are falling into various other oceans and seas, that is different, but these are perennial river because there is the water is there throughout the year. So let me write the name of the rivers, and they are the Indus, the Ganga, and Brahmaputra. River Indus is the western part of India. Here it starts from near Manas Sarovar Lake to Arabian, it is falling to Arabian Sea. It has 5 tributaries, and they are River Ravi, Chenab, Beas, Jhelum, and Satluj. Next is the Ganga River. Ganga River is situated in the most densely populated areas where the soils are fertile enough, which consists of mainly alluvial soil, and this region is very good for agriculture. There are many tributaries and distributaries of River Ganga. There are left bank tributaries and right bank tributaries. This river also starts from near Manas Sarovar Lake to it's falling to Bay of Bengal. Okay. Now this river is coming from the northern mountains, and it is mixed with another river that is near Bangladesh, and it is falling to Bay of Bengal. The other river is River Brahmaputra. River Brahmaputra also starts from Manas Sarovar Lake and falling to Bay of Bengal. Alright, so these rivers are all perennial river we need to remember. In the next class, we will talk about the peninsular rivers. Thank you.